So I'm doing my level 2 science. I've been in the college for 2 years, this is my second year, and I've just got a grade 6 in English and I'm really happy about it. What was different this time was I stopped messing about and I realised that I needed to get it done. And the advice I would give to other students that have been here for 2 years is don't give up, because you can do it. There was times where I thought that I couldn't, and I'm glad that I did.
The difference would be that it was more straightforward and clear than other places that I had been studying and learning inside of, which made it much easier for me to get ahead of the small boundaries that were blocking me at the time.
So in secondary school, I did maths and English as a GCSE. I did unfortunately fail them both, but here in college I was given the opportunity to resit maths in November. I was given loads of opportunities to have extra help, loads of resources to help me succeed and pass my exam. I did in fact pass my exams, and I now have a 4 in maths.
Say that the classes are smaller, which makes it much easier to focus for people like me with autism, ADHD and stuff like that, which makes it harder to focus.
Getting my English means I can do almost anything, as long as I have that GCSE. Also saves me time next year, since I won't have to do it again. Opens up a lot of doors.
English, we've been more experimenting what it's like to be doing English in the art room, and to me it's been pretty good. I found it quite easy to finish the work and more imaginative stuff. So it's like over there, I don't think you see it, but it's more of the storyboarding, and it's taking the words and kind of creating them into pictures to obviously make the story as it goes through. So yeah, to me it's not been really all that difficult, but obviously compared to in a classroom I might find it a bit more harder to imagine more stuff.
Since starting the new year at Mid-Kent College this year, I have felt more confident than I ever have with math before, as my tutor Tom has given out these work packs specifically made for me and my level and the grade that I would work towards.
So when I first started my maths journey this year, my second year of policing, my tutor Tony said that I could get extra help by going to the hub, which is extra tutoring in the middle section of the day to get my maths up to a grade 4 that I need. So I sat down with Ian, which was my tutor, for half an hour every, I think it was Tuesday, and we went through my tests that we'd done with Tony in lesson, and he said what was I struggling with and what did I go well. Then every week I'd go and he'd print out algebra if I was struggling with that. He would help me. I wouldn't ever be afraid to ask questions, because he'd always make me feel like I can do it, and maybe actually boost my confidence a lot.
My key advice for students doing English would be to remember the techniques that you've been taught by teachers. So that could be how to write something, maybe just quickly going over it before the exam, or even just spending 5 minutes on it. But I would say for me what really helped was maintaining my focus in the actual lesson. So instead of getting distracted, I would spend quite a lot of my time just sat there, not talking, just really engaged in the lesson, which actually made it more beneficial than not, because it was able to help me know what I was doing and reassure me that I actually did know the content. I just needed to stop worrying.